What's up, YouTube? This is your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and I'm back with another video. And I have my special who, grandson, RJ.
Huh?
Say what's up.
What's up?
That's right. So today we're gonna be unboxing a few items for you guys, and I decided to bring him back on here with me. It is his birthday next week, so I will be vlogging that one so that y'all can see his birthday, which is who? Baby Shark?
Baby Shark?
Baby Shark.
Baby Shark.
Are you Baby Shark?
Baby Shark and Halloween.
Oh, Baby Shark Halloween? Okay, he telling y'all that he watched Baby Shark Halloween all the time on YouTube. So, he's always on YouTube. So, yeah. You ready to do this?
Do it.
All right, let's do this. You gonna have me some gift? You gonna have me some packages so we can unbox? Uh-huh. You gonna turn around so we can do this?
Do it.
He is a boy. He is all over the place, and I have trouble keeping up with him. So, come on, let's do this.
Do it.
Mm-hmm. So let's do this one first, because if we do... Okay. If we do...
Get down.
You gonna get down? Okay, sit there. Sit there. Yeah, sit there. You're not gonna sit there? Okay, so as we can see, he gonna be in and out. Give me that. He's gonna be in and out of the video because he's gonna do his thing.
It's mine.
It's not yours. It's mine. It's my remote. Come over here so you can open up the present for me, the box for me.
It's right back.
Yeah, you gonna hold this one? You gonna sit there and hold this one? Sit here. Oh, he gonna set the box there. Okay. All right. Well, first of all, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and open these up. So the first one I'm going to do is this one that he has. And this one here is a perfume. And I seen this perfume here from a few of my YouTubers that I follow. Happy Stylish Mom and Miss Tamika. And I believe it's called Dossier. Don't quote me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's how you say the name. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and do this. What you doing over there? So, as you can see, I'm opening it up. So, here's the box. This little paper was in there. Here is the packaging, and I believe it says Dossier. And they does it like this. And they give you a card. Uh-oh, don't knock the camera over. And this fragrance that I got is called Oriental Cherry. So we're going to see how this smells. I'm looking at the camera. And it's like this. Uh-oh, hand me more of this. Hand me that. This is called Oriental Cherry. Let me see. What's this? Okay, this is like a little squirt bottle that they give you the same fragrance. And it's supposed to be affiliated, maybe the smell of like one of Tom Ford's, really? His scent. Oh, it smells good. I was kind of leery because you don't know when you buy something offline and you haven't smelt it or really seen it or whatever, if it's going to work for you or... Smells good. Hey, smell this, RJ. Does it smell good? No, I didn't say give me pound. Come smell it. Smell me Mom's arm. Does it smell good? Smell it. Does it smell good? Does it smell good? He's doing this, y'all. You silly. So, I believe I paid $49, and then the shipping for this, and it comes in this bottle right here. And my little helper has left the room, so I'm pretty sure he'll be back sometime. But yeah, it comes in this little bottle here. It does smell good, so I'm glad that worked out, because I wouldn't have wanted to have to send it back. But that is that. So it was another scent that I had watched one of them say that was pretty good too. So yeah. So this one here is a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and if you follow me on Instagram, I did put 2 boxes together, and I told you I was going to reveal them this weekend, which today is Saturday, but you know I always upload for Sunday. So let's go ahead and do this. This package came yesterday to my mom's house, and I ended up going to get it like at 8 o'clock at night, because after I got off work, I had to go to a birthday gathering at a restaurant with some of my old buddies from our old job. We all got together for a birthday. So I went there, came home, picked up little man, and then me and little man ran up to my mom's to go and get these packages. So yeah, I'll let you know I wanted this package bad. I couldn't wait. So here is the box, the famous Fashionphile. Here is the setup of how they sent it in boxing. You know, your receipt is always inside of this package here. They sent me another fingernail file. You guys, I am smelling this perfume and it smells good. Okay, this fingernail file, and it says, I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. True fact. I am one who believes I pay my bills on time, but I also like to work so I can play too. So this is me playing. So let's get into it. When I say I got this and I've watched some videos, it wasn't many. Hey, RJ, chill out. There wasn't many videos out there. Are you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
My heart and my jacket.
You hurt your jacket?
Hurt.
But your jacket is on you. You want me more to rub it? Come here. Well, let me rub it.
Yes.
Okay, let me rub it. Oh, does it feel better?
Better?
Mwah. Go tell Papa. Go tell Papa you hurt your back. Be careful. Okay, and this is the use is the new.
It's locked.
You locked the door? Okay, you guys, hold on one second. We are back. We had to take a potty change, and he's eating cereal right now. So let's finish getting into it before his mom come and gets him. I was like, come get your bad baby. But you my baby, right?
Hmm?
You my baby?
Baby.
Okay, baby. No, big boy. You big boy.
Big boy.
You gonna be what? How old you gonna be next week?
3.
Yeah, good job. Give me some pound. Boom. Okay, so we back. The use is the new. Yeah.
A box.
A box? What the box say? Don't move. What the box say? Louis Vuitton?
A little box. A little box.
No, this is an orange box.
It's orange.
Orange, yeah, you know your colors. What color do Mimo got on?
Blue.
Good job. Okay, so we back again. Take 3. So here is the Louis Vuitton box. Is it good? Is your cereal good? It comes with this item was excellent. It comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag. So we're going to put that over there. Here is the item. And they always put it in their dust bag, like I said. So, what your girl picked up was... I picked up this beauty right here. And this is called the Louis Vuitton Empreinte Montsouris PM in black. It comes with the dust bag, the box, and the bag charm. So here is the bag charm that says LV. Here is the bag. I'm just looking it over. You know, your girl is a backpack kind of girl. So I decided to go with this backpack here, the Empreinte, because one, I already have the wallet. Two, I have the coin chain purse. And I meant to grab that, but I'll grab that here in a second. So here is the backpack. There wasn't many videos out there. Hey, be careful. When I was watching them. So this is one I will be doing a review on. Here is the snap button. So it kind of like snaps right there. And you just pull it open. Okay. Stop.
Stop.
You being bad now. I'm going to kick you out of my video.
Video?
Yeah.
Video.
You open it up. They stuffed it with some bubble wrap, and as you can see, it is straight black, deep. It do have a pocket right here. Along this back side right here is a pocket. So, like I said, I will be doing a review. This one is a Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Okay? Hey, be still. Can you hand me another package? Okay. So he handed me this one. So we will unbox this one next. Unbag. This one I ordered off of Amazon. You might already know what it is, but your girl had to do it. Okay. So, what I picked up was an organizer. Hand me that one, RJ, down there. An organizer for the inside of the... If my camera's shaking, y'all, that's because he's down there on the floor. Okay. Thank you. I picked up the organizer for the bag, and you also came with this one here where you can just attach it to the sides and it sticks. Why are you untying my shoe? So this is how it looks attached. So we will go ahead and see if we can insert it in the bag. Yeah, leave that alone. You done untied my shoes. Okay. Stop. Don't shake the camera. So I've inserted it, and that's how it looks. Let me attach the side back again. It was folded in the bag, so I guess it needs time to relax. So I am liking that because the bag was so dark on the inside. I needed a little pop of color. Okay. Next. You want to hand me the next box, please, sir? Can I have that one? You hand me more of that box there?
Huh?
Hand me that box.
Wow.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. That's my little helper down there. He's always by me, my side. So, this one here also came from Fashionphile. And this one here, I haven't seen nobody else do on Fashionphile. I've heard them, I think I've heard one person mention it, but I didn't see anybody actually do it. So I kind of wanted to do it, see how it turned out. If not, don't have to use it. So here is the inside again. Here's your proof of purchase and your receipt inside.
Yeah.
Yes, baby. Here is your file. That says Fashionphile. I like my seafood where I can see it hanging in my closet. Mommy's on her way.
Huh?
Yeah, mommy's on her way. Use is the new. Be still so you don't. Here, pick up all those things, the little confettis. Right here, look. Look where Meemaw's feet at. Right there. Here's another one. So, it's confetti paper. Here is the next one. It says Louis Vuitton also. Your legs itching?
Huh?
Your legs itching? Are you finished with your cereal? It is a draw box. Okay, comes with the dust bag. And what your girl picked up was this right here.
No more.
Okay, hold on to it. And this one is called the Louis Vuitton Monogram Confetti Scarf. Stop. And it came with the box. It didn't come with the original dust bag, but that's fine. Leave it alone. So, my idea of this here was to get this and wrap it around this here. Uh-oh, that sounds like that's your mommy.
Mommy.
Go tell Papa open up the door from your mommy. So, I'm just trying to try this around here. Oh, well, you didn't get far? You didn't get far?
What's wrong, Mommy?
Huh?
What's wrong with me, Mom?
Ain't nothing wrong with me. What's wrong with you? So, I'm just wrapping this around here just to give y'all an idea. And I'll go back and actually take my time and do it. But I wanted to do something like this here, where eventually the strap like this will lay like this in the back so that you can see it, but not as much once I wrap it a little bit more. But I just wanted to come on here and give y'all a little idea. So to do my review, I'll have the scarf on to give you a better idea of what I was saying and what I was showing you all. So, like I said, RJ, you want to say bye? Like I said, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share my video, let me know that you are watching it. You can leave me a comment down below. I will be doing a giveaway here shortly, so stay tuned for that. I'm just trying to see how I want to do it. I don't want to do all that. Follow me here and follow all these people. I don't want to do all that. That's too much. That's too much. Just, if you're going to do a giveaway and be done with it, okay? That's how I feel. Okay. So, until the next time, you guys.